Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we have completed actually the exercise 9.3. Okay, so we have done the revision of the ninth chapter as well. So today I am going to start with another topic for the revision, that is chapter number 10. Okay, so this is the topic that I am going to start in today's session. Okay, so the chapter number 10 is measurement of weight. Okay, so this is the next topic that I have chosen for the revision part. So this is chapter number 10, measurement of weight. So I am just writing the topic on the board, that is chapter number 10, and the topic is measurement, that is measurement of weight. Okay, so this is the topic that I will start in today's session, measurement of weight. Okay, so first thing is that what is weight? Okay, कोई भी चीज़ है, you can take anything for weighing. Okay, so I am just taking this duster here. So measuring its weight, इसका weight measure करना. Okay, that is weight. Okay, आपका weight, आपकी body का weight, anything, everything, the board's weight, the chalk weight, everything has some weight, some mass. Weight is also known as mass. कि कोई भी चीज़ हो बेटा, हर चीज़ का कुछ ना कुछ weight या जिसको हम बोलते हैं mass is there. Okay, so everything has some weight or mass. In this topic we will learn about the different units of mass. So different units for calculating the mass. Okay, like kg and grams. So we can measure the mass in kg and grams. Okay, so basically there are three types of measurements. The first is in the mass, second is in the capacity, and the third is of the volume. Okay, but in this chapter we have started with the calculation or with the measurement of weight. Okay, so let's begin with the first. Okay, so I'm just starting with the exercise. Okay, as we are doing the revision part, so will start with the exercise. Okay, so the main thing is that you must know about that what is weight. Main चीज आपको ये पता होनी चाहिए that what is weight. Weight means mass of something. Weight means mass of something. किसी भी चीज़ का कोई भी तरह का mass, okay, जो भारीपन होता है, that is known as its weight. Okay, so now starting with exercise 10.1. Okay, so this is the first that is given at page number 114. So I'm starting with question number 1 of exercise 10.1. Okay, so the question number 1 is, Shweta bought some rice. If the shopkeeper used the following weights, how much rice did she buy in each case? First one is done for you. Okay, तो देखिए क्वेश्चन यहाँ दिया हुआ है, श्वेता ने कुछ राइस खरीदा. ओके, श्वेता हैड बॉट सम राइस, उसने कुछ चावल खरीदे. इफ़ द शॉपकीपर यूज द फॉलोइंग वेट्स. ओके, और शॉपकीपर ने जो नीचे जो वेट्स बने हुए हैं, ओके, सो दैट इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग. यू मस्ट हैव सीन एट द शॉप. किसी भी शॉप पे आपने देखा होगा. आजकल तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक भी आ रहे हैं बेटा, बट सम ऑफ स्पेशली द वेजिटेबल सेलर्स दे यूज दिस वेट्स for calculating the weight of anything. Okay, so Shweta bought some rice. If the shopkeeper used the following weight, how much rice did she buy in each case? First one is done for you. Okay, so they have given the different weights. Okay, and we have to calculate that what is the total weight. Okay, that we needs to calculate. Okay, so I'm just not going to draw these figures. I'm just going to write the weight only. Clear? So the A part is, okay, in the A part, the first weight is of 500 gram and the second weight is of 200 gram. So these are the two weights that we can see, that the first is of 500 gram and second is of 200 gram. Now we have to calculate the total weight. So, okay, so what is the total weight? 500 gram plus 200 gram, that will be 700 gram. That will be 700 gram. So this is the total weight. Okay, so 500 gram plus 200 gram, that is 700 gram. This is the total weight, okay, of these two weights. Moving next to the second one, or the B part. The B part is 500 gram plus 500 gram, and the third is also 500 gram. So in the second figure we can see the three weights, okay, and the weight of all these three weights is 500 gram. That is, three weights are of 500 grams only. Okay, so all these three are of 500 gram. Okay, all these are of 500 grams. So what will be the total weight? So as we can see, that total will be 500 plus 500, 1000 plus 500. That is 1500 grams. So the total is 1500 grams. But the one thing that you need to know is that you already know actually. Okay, so देखिए 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. और हमारे यहाँ पे पास कितने हैं? 1500. सो दैट मीन्स अगर हम 1500 में से 1000 ग्राम्स लेस कर देंगे, दैट मीन्स 1 kg लेस कर देंगे, सो दैट विल बी 500. सो दैट मीन्स इन स्पाइट ऑफ राइटिंग 1500 ग्राम, वी कैन राइट इट एज 1 kg 500 ग्राम एज वेल. ओके, तो उसको 1500 ग्राम लिखने की बजाय वी कैन राइट इट एज 1 kg 500 gram. Okay, so we can write it like this also, that is 1 kg 500 gram. We can write it like this as well. Clear? Moving next to the C part. Okay, so the C part, the weights that are given, 5, that is, so the first one is of 500 gram, that is of, okay, again the first one, the first weight is of 500 gram, second weight is of 200 gram, third weight is of again 200 gram, and fourth weight is of 100 grams. Okay, जो fourth weight है वो हमारा कितना है? That is 100 gram. So now here also they have given the 4 weights. The first is, the first gram is, that is 500, second is 200, third is again 200, and the fourth is 100. Now let's calculate the total of this gram. Okay, 500 plus 200, that is 700. 700 plus 200, 900. 900 plus 100, that is 1000. So that means this is the total of 1000 gram. That is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so if we add all these weights, you will get the answer, that is 1000 gram. But here one thing is there. Okay, देखिए 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So in spite of writing 1000 grams, we can write it as 1 kg as well. तो हम उसको 1 kg भी लिख सकते हैं. So 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. So we will write it as 1 kg. Okay, so we will not write it like 1000 grams. We will write it as 1 kg only. Okay, so this will be 1 kg. Moving next to the D part. The D part is, okay, so in the D part, the different weights that are given here. The first is 2 kg, second is 1 kg, and the third is 100 gram. 2 kg, next is 1 kg, and the third is of 100 gram. So these three weights are given: 2 kg, 1 kg and 100 gram. Okay. So let's add these weight as well. So this is also kg, this is also kg, but this is gram. The first two ways that are given here, they are kg, and the third one is gram. So that means we are going to add kg with kg first. So 2 kg plus 1 kg, that is 3 kg. 2 kg plus 3, that is 3 kg. So we will write it as like 3 kg. Now here the gram is only 100. So we will write it like this, 100 gram. So the answer is 3 kg 100 gram. So if when we are going to add, or when we are going to make the total of these 3 grams, that is 3 kg 100 gram. 3 kg and 100 gram. Okay. So this is the complete solution of question number 1 from exercise 10.1. Okay. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Chalo. Moving next to the next question. Okay. So now we will move to the next question. So now we will move to the next question that is given. Okay, so in the question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one is 1. This is just a very simple sum, second and third. Okay, so you can just do it yourself. Now I'll move to the question number 4. That is the very important one. Okay, so the question number 4 is convert into grams. Okay, so here in question number 4, they have given us certain fractions in kg. Okay, and say they have given some certain fractions in kg, and we have to convert these fractions into grams. Okay, so हमें क्या करना है? We have to convert these fractions into grams. So let's begin with question number 4. Okay, that is convert into gram. Okay, so and the A part is given here. Okay, so A part में देखिए क्या दिया हुआ है. So in the A part it is given 1/4 kg. Okay, so that is 1/4 kg. So let's convert 1/4 kg into gram. So first thing is fraction is that is 1/4 kg. So that means we need to convert this 1/4 kg into grams. Okay. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. But we need to find the 1/4 kg. So 1/4 kg कितना होगा? What will be the 1/4 kg? 1/4 kg is equal to 1/4 upon 1/4 of 1000. Okay, so here the 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Then 1/4 kg निकालने के लिए we will calculate 1/4 of 1000 gram. Okay, so now we need to find 1/4 of 1000 gram. Clear? So of will change into sign of multiplication. Of sign of multiplication में change हो जाएगा, and the 1000 will be as it is. Okay. So 1 multiplied by 1000 is 1000 upon 4. 1 multiplied by 1000 is 1000 upon 4. Okay, now let's subtract 1000 with 4. Okay, so let's subtract 1000 with 4. Okay, so I'm just not subtract, let's divide 1000 with 4. Now we have to divide the 1000 with 4. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the next, that is 0. That became 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is here. Now the 0 is left, so we will directly put it here. That is 250. That is 250 what? That is 250 grams. That is 250 grams. So that means 1/4. Okay, so just I'll write it clearly. That is 250 okay, so that is 250 grams. Okay, so that means 1/4 kg of, so 1/4 of 1000 grams is 250 gram. 1/4 of 1000 gram is 250 gram. So that means question tha 1/4 kg is equal to 250 grams. Okay, so therefore 1/4 kg is equal to 250 grams. Clear? Now moving to the B part. That is, in the B part we have to calculate 1/8 kg. 1/8 kg. Okay, now we have to convert 1/8 kg into gram. Now we need to convert 1/8 kg into gram. That is 1/8 kg. 1/8 kg. Okay, by following the same method that we have done in the previous question. Okay, so we will follow the same method for solving this one as well. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now we need to find out 1/8 kg. Okay, हमें निकालना है किसका है 1/8 kg. So 1/8 kg is equal to 1/8 of 1000 gram. देखिए 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and that means 1/8 kg. That will be how much gram? Okay, so let's find out 1/8 kg. We need to find it. Okay, so देखिए just do it yourself that you have done before. So just you need to do like that only. Okay, चलिए 1/8 kg of 1000 grams. That is 1/8 of will change into sign of multiplication and that will be the 1000. Okay, 1/8 into 1000. So 1 multiplied by 1000 is 1000. Okay, and here it is 8. 1000/8. So the answer is 1000/8. Okay, now let's divide 1000 with 8. Let's divide 1000 with 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the another, that is 20. So 8 twos are 16. Minus 20 minus 16 is 4. Let's bring down another one, that is 0. So it became 40. So 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. 40 minus 40, nothing will be here. So the answer we got, that is 125. That is 125 grams. That is 125 grams. So that means 1/8 kg is equal to 125 grams. Okay. So this is the solution of the B part of question number 4. Okay, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, moving next to the C part of the same question. Let's move the C part of the same question. Okay. So in the C part, we have to convert. Okay, so in the C part, we need to convert 3 upon 10 kg into grams. Okay, so now we need to convert 3 upon 10 kg into grams. So let's do the C part. Okay, that is 3 upon 10 kg. That is 3 upon 10 kg. So 3 upon 10 kg, you need to find out. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, and we need to find out 3 upon 10 kg. Okay, we need to find out 3 upon 10 kg. Okay, so for this we will find 3 upon 10 of 1000 grams. We need to find 3 upon 10 of 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So that means in spite of writing 1/3 of, so 3 upon 10 of 1 kg, we can write 3 upon 10 kg of 1000. Okay, so we can write it like this as well. Okay, so let's find out. 3 upon 10 of will change into sign of multiplication. 1000 will remain as same. Okay, so now 3 multiplied by 1000, that is 3000. Okay, divisor will be 10. Okay, so here I am writing the 10. That is 3000 upon 10. That is 3000 upon 10. So let's divide 3000 with 10. Okay, so let's divide 3000 with 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 minus 30, nothing will be left. Now these two 0 we will put in the quotient as it is left. So that is 300. What? This is 300 grams. This is 300 grams. So that means 3 upon 10 kg of is equal to 300 grams. Okay. So that means 3 upon 10 kg is equal to 300 grams. Okay. Chaliye, moving next to the D part, the last part of the question number 4. That is the D. Okay, so let's do D part. Okay, so in the D part, let's do the D part. Okay, in the D part, we need to find 2/5 kg. Okay, so we need to convert the 2/5 kg. Okay, so let's find out 2/5 kg in grams. Okay, चलिए करते हैं. So that is 2/5 kg. 2/5 kg. Again, following the same method. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. And we need to find 2/5 kg. For finding the 2/5 kg, we will need to find 2/5. We need to find 2/5 of 1000 grams. Okay, so we need to find 2/5 of 1000 grams. Okay, so let's calculate it. 2 upon 5 of will change into sign of multiplication. 1000 will remain as same. There is 2 upon 5 into 1000. That is 2 upon 5 into 1000. Let's multiply 2 into 1000. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000 divided by 5. 2000 divided by 5. So 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000. Okay, and the denominator is 5. Now let's divide 2000 with 5. Okay, so now we will divide 2000 with 5. Okay, so let's divide 2000 with 5. 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is here. Now we are having the 2 0 here, so we will put it directly here. So that is 400 grams. That is 400 grams. Okay, means 2/5 kg is equal to 400 grams. 2/5 kg is equal to 400 grams. Okay, so this is the solution of the D part of question number 4. Okay, so with this we have completed the question number 4 or all the parts of question number 4 as well. Okay, chaliye, so you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so in the next sum, the 5th and the 6th, okay, you can see that the addition of the measurement units are given. So measurement of length की addition दी हुई है. So how you are going to add the units of measurement? So let's do that. That is okay. So 5th is on the book. So we will start with the 6th one. Okay. So let's do question number 6A part. Okay. This is just some simple addition of weight. This is just simple addition of weight. This is the question number 6. The question number 6A part is add. In the A part, we need to add the units that are 15 kg 380 grams and 20 kg 475 grams. Okay, so these two measurements we need to add. That is 15 kg 380 grams and 20 kg 475 grams. 20 kg 475 grams. Okay, so we need to add these two measurements. Okay, so let's do the measurements by following the column method. So that is kg, here it is kg and here it is gram. Okay, so let's add them. Okay, so let's add it. So let's write down, देखिए kg के नीचे we are going to write the kg unit and grams के नीचे we will write the gram unit. So this is 15 kg 380 grams. 15 kg 380 grams. Second is 20 kg 475 grams. 17 kg 20 kg 475 grams. So let's add it. Okay, now we can add them. चलिए, now we will just simply देखिए. In this, the addition is as simple that we have done before. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 7, 15. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, that is 8. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer we got after adding these two measurements is 35 kg 855 grams. Okay, so let's write the answer separately as well. Answer, that is 35 kg 855 grams. That is 35 kg and 855 grams. So this is देखिए question में सिर्फ how you are going to show it, this is important. Okay, by the rest of the calculation is same that you have done before. Okay, तो पहले जैसे आज तक आप कैलकुलेशन करते हैं वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही है. Okay, nothing is changed in this. Okay, So the rest of the questions or the rest of the parts, just try to do it yourself. Okay, this is a very simple addition, nothing else. Okay, so for today I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.